Well, class 10th, JC's English High School, and I am your English faculty, Shashwin Chaudhary ma'am in front of you. So continued lesson, follow the board, you will understand. That is Unit 5, Class 10, Prose, the concert, Shanta Rameshwar Rao. And here concept is main music, learning points, reading, comprehension. You will read and comprehend, you will read and understand. Comprehension means reading the paragraph, then short questions. You have to find out. I am continuously briefing you, I am telling you, I am giving you all the suggestions. You have to keep it in your mind map and you have to go in this way. So you have to understand English whenever you are reading. If any problem arises, obviously immediately you come. I am very happy. Last 10 few students continuously you are coming, handing over your this notebook English and other subjects also. I heard from the other teachers that sometimes you are taking Xerox notes and returning them. Math also, social also, English also. So it is very good. Class 10. Don't have any fear. Be very fit and fine. Avoid coronavirus. You have to avoid coronavirus. This pandemic. Once upon a time in India, cholera, then diarrhea, then malaria, then fire, other so many things are there. The dengue. So avoid this pandemic. Don't keep it in your mind. Take the precaution. Lots of other virus. Follow the doctor's video. They are telling, the good doctors all over India, around the world, what they are telling. Not only coronavirus. Always we are surrounded by bacteria and virus. Go, circle going on. So we have to keep protected ourselves with our proper precaution. Dieting. Morning to night. Follow that diet. Make yourself fit and fine. If any time uncomfortable or not, I have already told you a few students. Immediately hot water, lemon, salt and boiling. Okay. In a few degrees, boil it. Gas stove, induction, microwave, whatever you are using. And then drink uncomfortable. Drink. Give that same medicine to your mom, to your grandma, to your grandpa, to your father and everybody. You make it and help them. You yourself get uncomfortable immediately because virus will come but they should not get chance to attack us. These are all the things. Please go. The black people is also important. I told you. So you should be very careful. Your board examination is approaching and I have already told you Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3. Continuous study should be there. I will send you the question paper shortly and then 20 marks question paper. You will make it fit and fine. Study, prepare. You will write in a good paper and then that one you will come the very next day. I will announce the date. You will hand over it to me or our respected headmaster in the school premise. Within 10 minutes, I will check, I will give you the marks and all and you will gladly go home, enjoy your lunch with your family members. But education, learning English, these are very important. I want 95 and above English marks in your SSLC board exam. Keep it in your mind and then you make yourself fit and fine. Be brave and courageous. Never lose your hope. So these all things are very important. 10th board, you are in very attachment with me. I had seen you are very lovely, you are very good and you are coming to the school. And I already got this news that you all are learning at home. Very good. Excellent. Unnecessary, don't go outside. And if you go, masks, hand gloves, sanitizer, everything should be properly. Coming back, immediately hand wash. Dettol hand wash or Dettol soap or some other whatever XYZ you are using at home. These things are important to kill coronavirus. Keep it in your mind and do actively because your education, your future, your career, everything important now. 21 is coming. So please cooperate your management, cooperate all the faculties so that you should get good marks, good percentage in SSLC board. Well children, so continued lesson unit number can also point it out. Then your creativity skills. I will not resist that part. If you think, madam, I can write it this way, obviously, 100% you are liberal to frame the creativity skills in every question wise, every exercise wise. But grammar, correct answer. This thing keep it in your mind. Well, so let's start from here. Already yesterday we have finished all these things. That is page 93. So 10th group student, please open page number 94 and you see here number 7, page 94, 10th group, number 7. Suppose you are Smita and invite Pandit Ravi Shankar. So to your home, imagine the conversation. Smita, suppose you are Smita. I told you, online also you can practice in this way, friend to friend. Smita, through conference online you can do it. Good evening, sir. May I have a word with you, please? PRS. Well, PRS means Pandit Ravi Shankar. PRS. Well, you. All the fill in the blanks I have written and you will make the notes in the notebook. In attachment you will get it with the video lesson. My brother is fan of yours. PRS. I'm glad you are here. You. No, he can't die of cancer. PRS. I'm sorry dear. How can I help you? You. Would you like to go with me to see him? PRS. Looking at others. What do you say? You. Please, I beg you all to come and play for him. Textbook, page 94. Now, most take-heart man. Are you joking? Do you know them too? Don't bother and speak silly talk like a foolish person. Don't talk. Allaraka, Ustad Allaraka, the great tabla player. After some thought, don't weep, don't cry, don't weep, don't worry, child, don't worry, don't have any tension about it. We will be reaching tomorrow. Now, page 94 you see, in the course of the story, whom do you consider to be more worried? Smita or Anand? Obviously Smita. Anand is very courageous. Oxygen, cylinder, in the house, beside the bed. Sometimes pranking up, jumping up, sitting, but health is not permitting. Again, mother is saying, please lie down, Anand. Please, my son, lie down, lie down. But with this oxygen cylinder also, Anand is fighting just like anything against cancer. This is salute to this boy and salute and respect to the doctors who are trying their best level all over India. I had seen that they are trying their best for the kids, for the adult, for the old people, those who are suffering from cancer. May God bless them all and may all the doctors fight against cancer to make the patient cure. Already nowadays history is that about Tata Memorial Mumbai, I am telling you, several people came back home with a smiling face, cancer gone. So the credit goes to the doctor, those who are really God's substitute. So we should always go for the best. Now discussion, online chatting, online conference, friend to friend, you can do it. Page 94, number 9. Some incidents, some facts in the story are given in a jumbled order. Rearrange them as they occur in the story. I am reading. If you feel that you can make it in different way, you can do it. Page number 95. First one, that is A. Which one A? A is, please follow, page 95. A, number A sentence is, Smita read the newspaper and got excited. Number B, Anand said, it's a chance of a lifetime. I will send in attachment, don't worry, but still, textbook should be in your hand whenever you will see my videos. And then after this, number D, mother said, this is not the last time they are going to play. According to sequence, you will read the story, find out the sequence, and then according to sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. In this way you have to put it. Frame it. So now number E. E, you see, Smita was lost in her thoughts in the park. F, a large mustache man gave a long boring speech. G, Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha started playing in the boy's house. H, after this, H, are you getting any sentence? No. So A to G, you have to design this one according to the sequence. This much in this lesson. Shortly coming back with the continued part. Thank you very much, children.